सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञानदृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्दमार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
A person is made up of good and bad habits. Some people reach late for their work, some are compulsive liars, some wake up late in the morning, and some people make sound while eating. We humans always want to change our old bad habits. Some people are very successful in changing their habits, and some people try but are unsuccessful. Well, till the time these bad habits do not create problems for others, it's fine. But if these bad habits affect someone's life, then it has to be considered as a very serious matter and has to be changed immediately.
It's been so long. Why haven't they come yet? Wow, your watch is looking so cool, Sahil.
My grandpa gifted me for my last birthday. I was missing him a lot today, so I wore it. This is very precious for me.
I must say, your granddad had a great taste. It is such a stylish watch.
If you liked it so much, why don't you wear it today?
No, thank you. I understand. This watch is very precious to you.
It's me or you. What difference does it make? I will wear it later. Where have you been? Why are you so late?
We were not late because of me. Because of this Pranjal, we got late.
Hey, look. This is Sahil's watch. Isn't it cool?
Wow, this is very nice. Let me wear it today, please.
Not at all.
Please give.
No, I can't give it. I'm going to wear it today.
Come on, please, please.
Come on, let's go for lunch.
Huh?
This watch made your tummy full.
Hey, be careful. Don't spoil it.
Do one thing. You remove and keep it aside. Like that it will not get scratched, nor you will eat our brain.
You're right. Don't we have a sport period after this? It's better I keep it in the back. Just wait, I'll be back.
Come on, let's go. I love bread butter.
Yeah.
My mom gives me
Again,
that
bread
only
butter.
every day, and I eat it.
Guys, you carry on. I have to go to washroom.
Hold this. I will also go.
Hey, now where are you going?
Washroom. Again, you didn't do your homework.
That's
How
too
much
much.
Come on, this pet so
Funny.
only likes to eat.
Oh, Come,
Hey,
what are you doing?
Don't do that.
I will tease him. No one will stop me.
Hey, come on, yaar.
Okay, now I'm leaving. Bye, friends.
Bye.
Hey, why so soon? Come on, let's go to the garden.
No, bro. I have to go to the market with mom. We have to buy something important.
Same here. Even I have to go early today. I'll take a leave now.
Bye.
Let's go.
Hey,
Bye.
Athar, give me my watch.
Oh yes, sorry.
Sorry, Athar. If you would have liked something else, I would have never asked it back. But
I understand that. Don't worry. Oh no, I had kept it here. Where has it gone?
look properly.
No, it's not here.
In hurry, you might have kept it in someone else's bag. Wait, let me check my bag.
I will also check my bag.
Where is it?
Please check, Athar.
Yes, I'm searching it.
I don't have it.
Not with me either.
You don't worry at all. Tomorrow we will ask everyone in the class. You will definitely find your watch.
Don't worry, Sahil. I promise you will get your watch back. Please don't get upset.
Losing stuff in school is very common. Few may misplace their pen, few may copy, some lose their books or some personal stuff. Things are very small. We might not feel bad about losing them, but the most important thing that is connected to it is the trust that weakens day by day when we start losing them gradually. Something that was troubling Sahil was, even after understanding Sahil's emotion for the watch, he did all this. Atharva tried to make him understand a lot, but Sahil was not ready to understand even a single bit of it, because when sentiments get hurt, even the best relationships lose their base.
Hey bro, I'm really getting bored now. Let's play football. Let's call Atharva and Pranjal too.
No, Anshul. I don't feel like to play football.
What? Are you kidding me, Sahil? You are saying that you don't want to play. What is wrong with you?
I feel like that the watch is with Atharv only. He liked that watch very much. He just doesn't want to return it.
Sahil. You are doubting me for no reason. Believe me, I don't have your watch. I will never do such a thing.
Then where is my watch? Only we 4 friends knew about that watch. Am I right?
Hey Anshul, what are you doing?
I think Samarth has dropped his pen. I was putting it back.
Oh yeah, Pranjal, you took my book yesterday. Did you finish copying it?
Yes.
Please give it back to me. Okay, I will see you.
I don't know why Sahil thinks that I have his watch. I don't have his watch. God knows who has taken the watch. Hey Anshul, listen.
What happened?
Do you remember Samar's pen, which you had put it back?
Yes.
That too got stolen.
What? God knows what is going on in school. Even I have bought my father's expensive pen. That too got stolen.
But you didn't show us your expensive pen, Anshul.
How could you, Atharva? Before I could show it to anyone, it got stolen.
Hello?
Atharv? So, have you given it a thought?
I'm still thinking about it.
I know. You're very angry with Papa and me. And that is why you don't want to come to Delhi. But we are leaving you with your grandparents for your own good. Please understand that.
Mom, can I please talk to you later?
Okay. Bye.
I wanted to stay back only because of my friend Anshul. But now if he's not interested in talking to me anymore, then why should I stay here?
I think my watch is with Atharv only. What if I complain to his grandma about it? Then he might return it to me. I'll do one thing. I'll ask Pranjal to come with me.
What is all this, Pranjal? From where did you get these? Tell me, who gave you these stuffs? We have not bought all this for you. I had warned you so many times not to take things which doesn't belong to you. Let your papa come. He'll teach you a lesson.
Mummy! Mummy!
was doubting Atharv. But it was Pranjal who stole my watch. I did wrong to him.
Sahil, listen! Listen, Sahil!
Sahil,
What happened?
our friend Atharva is leaving. He's going to stay with his mom and dad in Delhi.
What?
Yes.
Come fast, let's go.
Yeah, come on.
Pranjal, it is because of you Atharv left this town and I did not get chance to apologize to him.
I'm so sorry, Sahil. I did not do this purposely. You know, whenever I like something, I can't resist urge to steal it. This is my very bad habit. Because of this habit, I ruined your friendship. And today, Atharva left us all forever. I promise you, Sahil, I'll never, ever follow this bad habit in my life. Please forgive me, Sahil. Please.
If we want, we can conquer anything. Then why are we becoming slaves of our daily routine habit and we end up losing everything? Sometimes these habits make us lose our near and dear one. So instead of losing our loved ones, why not change our bad habits? As we have seen, Pranjal's bad habits have separated two friends forever. Indeed, he changed. But after losing his close friend, he lost a friend like Atharva. Might be forever, Sahil will always regret for his behavior, that he doubted his very good friend by misunderstanding him as a thief and behaved very rudely with him. Atharva left Sahil and went to Delhi. So friends, never be slave of such bad habits which will make you regret any time in the future. Habits should always be good because that will surely take you to the path of success in life.